a threat. I was getting set for my accidental suicide, the kind where no one dies, no one looks too surprised. Then you realize you're riding on the power of success in this heavy-handed metaphor. And I feel like you've been here before, 'cause you've been here before, and you've been here before. Then a word washed ashore, then a word washed ashore, then a word washed ashore. Getting ready to consider my plan of attack. I think I'm gonna sack the whole board of trustees, all those Don Quixotes and the B-17s. And I swear this time, yeah, this time, it blows back to the 70s. And it's time playing right of the Valkyries with no semblance of grace, and they're acting on vagrant. It's a violent proclivities, playing right, playing right, thinking about my planet attack. Think I'm gonna sack the whole board of trustees, all those Don Quixotes and the B-17s. And I swear this time blows back to the 70s. And this time playing right of the Valkyries,
buddy!
with no semblance of grace or ease. Now they're acting on vagrants with the violent proclivities.
Oh!
That's like the coach saying, look over there.
And play it right. They play it right. And they play it right. They play it right. Play it right. Right of the Valkyries. So
if you miss the chain I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear very sober 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear 500 miles. Lord, I'm one, Lord, I'm two, Lord, I'm three, Lord, I'm four, Lord, I'm 500 miles from my door. 500 miles, 500 miles, 500 miles, 500